Good day and welcome once more to my YouTube channel. As usual, me and my K. Today I did an hill station. Like you said, this area and outside money man then but allow all my salon, all side people a mix. And today I go visit one popular shop we named Farmose, na salon, na Freetown, and located at this hill station. We make them call this place Farmose. We will go inside the place. We will go know why make them call this place Farmose. And it located at this fine quiet area where they call hill station. So as soon as see a hill station this, and we come at this place, see a name Farmose. House like Creole word, we simply mean house. And they Regent Road hill station, and at the number this +232 740000044. You see where they can inside this Farmose, they see first the entrance. As you can see the entrance of this Farmose. They can now inside. Wow. We can inside first the AC, first with the bang you. And good day.
Hello, how are you?
Not bad, myself, ma.
Not bad, welcome.
Yeah, thank you. So now you know possibly in this place.
Yeah, I'm the sales manager at Farmose.
You know the sales manager at Farmose.
Yeah.
Wow. So waiting, tell me first, all waiting Farmose Day about first.
Well, Farmose, we mainly focus on homegrown food, like fresh foods there.
Okay.
We focus on fish farming, egg, poultry, and other stuff there. Benny, kenda, kaya pepper, etc.
So when you say una focus mainly on homegrown foods them,
yeah.
you don't tell me about fish farming. I see
they sell the fish them also.
So now I get this green adventure Sierra Leone.
Yeah, now we get
so who side this thing locate?
Ide Moyamba.
Okay, the Moyamba district.
Yeah.
That's the south of Sierra Leone.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ashaka.
And I guess I don't back my
Yeah, different side, different angles.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. So we can sell the raw one,
Okay.
the fresh one, or someday we can sell the live fish.
The live fish, like
yes.
if you post one go,
You go
open
pick,
you
we pull for you.
Oh, okay.
Because some man can want for main processor.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
but we can process them for we save and sell. We clean them all. They will get one with the smoke, when are the smoke catfish.
Okay.
But in the inside the freezer.
In the inside freezer.
Yeah, they would patronize with other farmers.
Okay, not to your farm no more, not the food.
We can patronize other farmers. Like this pepper is from Sanctuary Farm.
Sanctuary Farm.
Yeah,
what's in there?
Pastor like you.
Okay.
Abanewe, very fresh.
But na salon only also they make am.
Na salon you come out very fresh, very big. They will get farm egg. This stuff they come on our poultry.
Then na poultry they come out.
Yes, it's very fresh.
What's na poultry in there?
They mashaka.
In the mashaka.
Yeah. They will get other stuffs then here.
Okay.
Now self they prepare them. We get the kaya pepper.
Okay.
Free of sand. They not get no sand.
No sand.
Clean and warm as always.
So as I can see, fine package, as you say, in free from any dirty sand we go there inside there. And you see how them package them, you seal this na grown na salon also made in Sierra Leone. You see you get everything.
And this now we granite.
It's not granite.
Yes.
Okay.
It's free of sand. You not get no sand. We dey take
So,
time prepare everything.
Because I one question that I ask you is free of sand.
Yeah, we dey take time do everything na Farmose. Like we customer themselves can recommend we for that.
Okay, so na get machine that they take for processor.
Yes. Get machine then they take care because forget the machine at one, but for take care of waiting you produce.
They produce.
Yes. So this is not the kenda, it's free of sand.
Okay.
Yeah. This is not Benin.
Benin.
Tasty. Very tasty.
Okay.
Yeah, then this now the ground egusi.
This is ogusi.
Yeah.
Egusi.
Egusi, the ground egusi.
Okay.
Yeah. So we get cassava flour.
This is cassava flour.
So in the local language.
Like you take out for make like fufu like. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
But this is not the fufu. This is cassava flour. They get you add in cooker.
Okay.
Then this is not fufu of itself.
This is fufu of itself.
Yeah, but now the dry fufu this. This is not dry fufu. Then we get a spark.
Okay.
Instead free of sand. Now get no sand. The customer then can testify that says Farmose they produce the best foodstuffs, no sand. And this na black eye beans instead hand-picked, stone free.
So all these are salute the plant
Yes, this is from Sierra Leone. Then this are the broad beans, baby beans. Yes, instead they free of sand. Then we get the concho. Yes.
Okay.
And this are crayfish shrimps, the dry one.
Oh.
The grind one. Shrimps, the dry and grind one, 9 days.
Okay.
The inside also, we get with smoked catfish.
Okay.
These are the smoked catfish, the dry one. And this is the packet size. Very tasty. The one they serve here now, they know. And these are the fufu. We get the dry fufu. This is the fufu now.
Dry fufu.
Yeah, these are the fermented flour.
Okay.
This now are the fufu of itself.
Okay.
Instead, we don't already wash so you don't need for go wash just put on a pot for cook.
Okay.
You don't get no garlic smokes here.
Okay.
Inside we get
inside
ogiri.
Ogiri.
Yes. It's not ogiri. Instead you get fine smell and all. No sansa. Yeah, we get cassava leaf.
Okay.
This na beet to the beet. Not so green one on a machine. This na the beet cassava leaf. Yes, from the odo, the mata odo.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it's now chicken then. Na poultry.
The poultry chicken.
Yeah. This chicken spent layers. Now in this. It's a very affordable and cheap. Then we get the other fish now. Yeah, tilapia. Tilapia. Yes. Inside na from we farm.
From the fish farm.
If you see over under, that's snapper. Nice. Yeah. Inside na from we farm. Then we got the raw catfish. Nice.
Okay.
We don't clean them already. All them fish they are don't clean.
Don't be clean.
Yes. No need for go clean them again. Just the inside. Season now. So now this we do not farm.
Okay. So on a Kisel also imported things back.
We get open mine.
This is from mine.
Yeah, wow. So you get. You don't say open them, but you see, anything you shake them. It's very affordable. Okay. We sell other imported things.
Now you mix out other imported things.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you know we can buy fish. You know get season for work.
Okay.
So we buy fish. The expert say they buy season.
Season. Yeah.
Provisions.
Okay.
So now that's Farmose Day for.
Okay. So I just want to ask you another question. Like, if other person want can buy from una say instead of they go sell.
Yeah, we just sell.
Una they sell.
Yeah, we just sell as wholesale price.
Okay.
Yeah. But now only on the products they produce, the local products.
Yes, Miami.
Kinda, cassava leaf, we sell.
So like how frequent do they get buyers them?
You know, say anytime they sell food, customers they always can come there. And because of we good in what we do, we can get customers there frequently.
Okay.
We patronize you. We can do delivery nationwide. For the penny, the kenda, can pepper, granite, we can do nationwide, even overseas. So I can buy per mine for go with them.
Okay. But this now don't product this?
No, this is not the
imported
products.
Okay, it's not imported product.
Yeah, over and so now we get all the
local. Okay. So if I say I want to buy things like what I would say the fish, the chicken, the the egg, wetin go be the best cost for me as an wholesale?
Wholesale. Well, that's what you can go as we go sort out there.
Go sort out.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you want to tell people and how we not sabi this place?
Well, me message say for make them go come and patronize you. They want for the drive main region to good. And with product are very affordable and fine. Then we fish that they sell, they're always fresh from the farm. The egg always fresh. Lot come be imported goods. Lot we focus on with country products.
Okay.
For make we make salon go before. Thank you.